Genetic disorders are illnesses caused by abnormalities in an individual's DNA. These abnormalities can be due to mutations in a single gene, multiple genes, chromosomal alterations, or mitochondrial DNA. Genetic disorders can be inherited or occur spontaneously. Types of genetic disorders. 1. Single gene disorders, Mendelian disorders. Dominant. Only one copy of the altered gene is needed to cause the disorder, e.g., Huntington's disease, Marfan syndrome. Recessive. Two copies of the altered gene are needed to cause the disorder, e.g., cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia. X-linked. Disorders caused by mutations on the X chromosome, e.g., hemophilia, Duchenne muscular dystrophy. 2. Multifactorial disorders. Caused by a combination of genetic mutations and environmental factors, e.g., heart disease, diabetes, and most cancers. 3. Chromosomal disorders. Caused by abnormalities in chromosome number or structure, e.g., Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome. 4. Mitochondrial disorders. Caused by mutations in mitochondrial DNA, which is inherited solely from the mother, e.g., Leber's hereditary optic neuropathy. Common genetic disorders. 1. Down syndrome, trisomy 21. Caused by an extra copy of chromosome 21. Symptoms include intellectual disability, characteristic facial features, and potential heart defects. 2. Cystic fibrosis. A recessive disorder caused by mutations in the CFTR gene. Leads to the production of thick mucus that can clog the lungs and obstruct the pancreas. 3. Sickle cell anemia. A recessive disorder caused by a mutation in the HBB gene. Results in abnormally shaped red blood cells that can cause pain, anemia, and other complications. 4. Huntington's disease. A dominant disorder caused by mutations in the HTT gene. Leads to progressive brain degeneration, affecting movement, cognition, and behavior. 5. Marfan syndrome. A dominant disorder affecting connective tissue, caused by mutations in the FBN1 gene. Symptoms include tall stature, long limbs, and heart problems. 6. Hemophilia. An X-linked disorder affecting blood clotting, caused by mutations in the F8 or F9 genes. Leads to excessive bleeding and difficulty in clotting blood. Diagnosis of genetic disorders. 1. Genetic testing. Analyzing DNA to identify mutations associated with genetic disorders. Includes techniques like PCR, DNA sequencing, and chromosomal karyotyping. 2. Prenatal testing. Testing the fetus for genetic abnormalities, such as amniocentesis and chorionic villus sampling, CVS. 3. Newborn screening. Screening infants for certain genetic, metabolic, or infectious conditions. 4. Family history and genetic counseling. Assessing the risk of genetic disorders based on family history. Providing information and support to individuals and families. Treatment and management. 1. Gene therapy. Experimental treatments aiming to replace, edit, or silence defective genes. 2. Medications and medical therapies. Treating symptoms and complications associated with genetic disorders, e.g., enzyme replacement therapy for lysosomal storage diseases. 3. Lifestyle and dietary changes. Managing conditions with specific dietary restrictions, e.g., phenylketonuria. 4. Surgical interventions. Correcting anatomical abnormalities caused by genetic disorders. 5. Supportive care. Physical therapy, occupational therapy, and educational support to enhance quality of life. Prevention and risk reduction. 1. Genetic counseling. Providing information about the risks of genetic disorders and the likelihood of passing them to offspring. 2. Carrier screening. Identifying individuals who carry a gene for a recessive disorder, particularly useful for prospective parents. 3. Pre-implantation genetic diagnosis, PGD. Testing embryos for genetic disorders before implantation during in vitro fertilization, IVF. Advances in genetic research and technology have improved the diagnosis, treatment, and management of genetic disorders, offering hope and better quality of life to affected individuals and their families.